Hello everybody, my name is Ian Lamont and I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes and the Word 2019 cheat sheet available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be talking about how to insert a table into a Word 2019 document. And actually, it's the same as you'd insert a table using Word 2016 or other versions, earlier versions of Word. This is the same for macOS or for Windows. The interface is 99% the same for the two platforms. And here's the story. I have this article and I want to scroll down and I want to insert a table right here. That is, a table is like a grid of cells, and then I can put stuff in there, like a simple table of information, or maybe put other information in there. And this is how you do it. So first, put the cursor where you want the table to appear, and maybe you need to add a couple extra spaces so it has a little bit of space above and below it. So my cursor is right there. Go to the Insert tab, and then you'll see a button called Table, and like a little a downward pointing arrow, like a drop-down menu. Click on that, and then this grid appears, and you can kind of move your cursor around, and you'll see more cells being selected or less cells. And at the top, it'll say something like 5 by 5 table. That means it's 5 cells, 5 columns wide, and then 5 rows deep. You can also make a smaller table. Like usually when I make a table, oftentimes it's just 4 by 2 or 4 by 3. So I'm going to select that and click it. And you can see what happened is Microsoft Word 2019 inserted a table, and they made it exactly the same width as the entire column there. So it's going 100% across the page. If you wanted to change that a little bit, make it a little bit thinner, you could start to mess around with the lines. Just grab the line, bring it in. You can rearrange that a little bit. And then you can start to type text. Like this is option 1. And then if you press tab, it'll go to the next one, option 2, option 3. And then you could put like numbers or information, and like, Jim, Mary. And you can see, then you can start to fill in the information. And then the other thing you can do is you can format these. So if you want to make this bold, you can do that. I just highlighted it and made it bold. And then also if you want to modify the table, like let's say that I'm doing my table and I've decided I needed to add another column. It's easy to do. Basically, put your cursor in the rightmost column, and I'm going to add another column to the right, and then right-click over it, select Insert, and then select Column to the right. It just created a new column. I can add option 4, and I'm good to go. For more information on how to get the most out of Microsoft Word, check out our book, Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, as well as the Word 2019 cheat sheet, both available from in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.